People, like I said yesterday, I was going through all the videos that I've uploaded so far, and I realized this one thing, yeah, that I think I have to like this phrase "half Sindhi little Mallu" seems to get far more number of views, and but more importantly, I need to put the title of my video first and then hyphen half Sindhi little Mallu, because then it's easy to find the video. So yeah, that's a very important thing I learned yesterday, and this is a 30-second video. And people, honestly, I've been very low since basically my child doesn't live with me. I mean, he lives with my mom-in-law and my husband. So I haven't been able to speak. Basically, the guy I was married to has been so busy that even 1 minute, like as a mother, I don't get to see my child even for 1 minute in a day, and that really hurts. Yeah, I mean, like, so I've turned vegan, but because what I feel is you should never, like, veganism is about snatching, like, because we are so against the idea of snatching the milk that the mother cow gives to her baby, and basically a mother and child are separated in the dairy industry. So after what I've been through, it makes me that much more stronger vegan, because it's so sad that this sort of things happen. So anyway, this is a long video, but I had to say this. So anyway, I'm sitting in the middle of nowhere recording, so people are looking at me. So I think I'll wrap up my video. On that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.